Do you want to change your IDE? Do you want to change your VS Code? Of course you do! I'll show you as quickly as possible how to set up your VS Code to be more fun and less pain. Let's get started. Let's start from the appearance. I tried a bunch of themes and spent many hours choosing the best theme in terms of readability and eye comfort. I tried the most popular, cool, beautiful, modern, pink, blue and so on. And what do you think? I ended up sticking with the built-in VS Code dark modern theme. My icons are material icons with a few modifications. Check the description for the details. I will put there a GIS link to my settings files. Alright, let's check plugins that I highly recommend for the front-end developers. Supermaven. Why Supermaven? Why not CoPilot? First of all, it's 2 to 3 times faster than CoPilot. And secondly, it uses your code as the context and writes same linear as you and your company. It's not free, it costs $10 per month, but believe me, it's worth it. By default, VS Code doesn't provide preview for SVGs, and this extension helps a lot. This one helps you with autocomplete, and also you can hover to preview the CSS. Postman and Figma to avoid switching between apps. It's much more convenient in one window. Got time to see how much time you spend having fun? The basics. Here's 3 important shortcuts. Command-Shift-O removes unused imports. Command-Shift-I import missing ones. Command-K, Command-B for Git checkout. Huge win in your performance. Hit the like button if you found something helpful. Peace, nerds!